no success. Look at her, she's so pretty. Look at you guys. Look how pretty you are, huh? Yes. You're the cutest. Hi. This is the cutest. Tea. It's cold out here. Let's just stay inside, huh? Look at her. This is the definition of farming. Climbing up the barn. She got 2 eggs. I'll have a look. Oh, this is so dark over here. We'll need to climb up this. Chill, hun. Also ich meine nur, es wäre das nicht auch vorsichtsbar. No. Hast du's? Ich weiß nicht. Look who we got. It's literally impossible. We have like 7 now.
Oh, where is it? I can't see. Where is
Here.
it? Oh, there.
Yeah. We got like about 7 or 8, but it's literally impossible because they're so fast. Look at that amazing snow. This view is crazy. But we're at the farm now and it's literally snowing every day. Look how cute. Oh my god, I can't even. Look how amazing this looks. Say hi to Anna.
Hi.
And sorry, my nose is like running non-stop because of the cold. It's like -6. But yeah, I'll update you guys at some point. I'm just going to film some stuff of our everyday tasks. Welcome back. It's us, and today we are exploring. It's Friday, exactly 1 week after we went and started our work away. And today we're back in the city for some sightseeing, which we are doing right now. And then it's Black Friday as well, so we're searching for some Black Friday deals. Let's get this day started.
Welcome. We're documenting my first hash brown.
Careful, it's gonna be hot as well. No?
It's cold.
Oh, well.
It's good though.
Got some breakfast because we forgot to breakfast this morning.
I know it, but we have like we only watch like.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. too. My brothers flew in this afternoon.
This is my favorite. So nice. Petable, very petable. Likes to be petted, usually, sometimes. Likes to lick your hands. See? She's so... No, I'm not food. I'm not food. Eh, excuse me. Ta-da! Look at all these Christmas trees.